My name is Aracely, and I'm currently a process technician at Applied Materials. I didn't see myself going to school at my age. It was a little overwhelming at the beginning, but it's really helped a lot. It's really good for the people that are coming in since we're getting to learn at the same time as we work. So I think all these apprenticeship programs are really good opportunities for everyone, and they should take advantage of that. It's a really good program. As a woman, through my experience has been really good. I've been really having a lot of support by the rest of the coworkers here, and it just feels good that everybody gives that support. Apprenticeship programs can empower women. It's giving a structured way for females to have an equal opportunity. My advice to women would be to go for it, to not be afraid. At the beginning, it could be a little hard, but once you're in there and taking the classes and doing all that you're supposed to be doing, it feels good to blend in and accomplish the classes, accomplish at work. Just don't be afraid and go for it.